Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color. And today we're going to make purple and lavender using Artist's Loft watercolor. The first thing we're going to do is squeeze out 2 parts of crimson, 1 part of Prussian blue, and 1 part of ultramarine blue. Now that we have that on our palette, we're going to go ahead and mix it up to make purple. Now that we've mixed up all the colors, I'll grab a piece of mixed media paper and show you how the values paint out when you add water. Now, I'm really loving this purple shade, but I know I promised that we would make lavender as well. So hang tight and I'll show you how to make lavender from this color purple. It's so simple. All you do is squeeze out 2 parts of Chinese white and add 1 equal part of the purple that we just made. Now let's get this all mixed up so you can see the beautiful lavender color that we're about to make. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Courageous Color for more color mixing videos. I want to invite you to check out my color mixing book. Here's a quick preview of the basics of color mixing, written and illustrated by me, Sarah Claire. After reading this book, you will know how to identify and define primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, harmonious and contrasting colors, as well as color values. You will learn how to mix secondary colors using primary colors, how to mix tertiary colors using primary and secondary colors, also how to mix or avoid mixing contrasting colors, how to mix various color values using equal parts or percentages, and how to make pastel colors and shadow colors. This book is available as an ebook for just $3.99 and in paperback. Just click on the link at the top of the description and that will take you to the Amazon page where you can read more.